crush ni Robbie Jaworski? Sino kaya?
I need to think about this. Okay, the truth is, growing up, teenage years, I was a big fan of Kim Chu, actually.
Kim Chu! No, Direk Lauren, Kim Chu lang pala. Ang daling ibigay ni Direk Lauren yan.
Growing up. But now, of course, as a fan, minsan nanonood din po ako ng mga TV shows or some movies. I mean this in the most wholesome way possible.
Okay.
I think that Maris Racal is also very pretty.
Maris Racal. Puro BBB babies, Direk Lauren. Okay. So, okay, let's delve more into that. Why Miss Kim Chu? What can you say about Kim Chu?
She's so bubbly, she's so energetic, always smiling. I remember as a kid, she smiled like, oh, she's so cute. Yun lang, parang happy crush lang.
Oh, okay. And Maris?
Well, when I watched her in Can't Buy Me Love,
Okay.
I thought she was a very fantastic actress. I thought sobrang galing niya sa role niya. And I found her to be very talented, very, very pretty. So, yeah.
Oh, because of her role as Irene. Yes, okay. Because I don't think people know it yet. Yes. Pero Robbie Jaworski will be a mixed VJ! Yung mga media friends natin parang, wow, diba? Bagay na bagay. Okay, so how has your experience been so far? Kasi I think you've been working a little bit na, no, for mix?
As you know, Ate Ai, because you're one of the people who trained me,
Grabe yung train.
is that, yes, nag-umpisa na po tayo sa proseso sa pagpasok ng mix as a VJ. I'm really excited. I actually got to receive the honor of presenting the Mellow Video of the Year in the Mix Music Awards yesterday night.
Yeah.
So, unti-unti po tayo pumapasok sa mix. I'm just so excited for, getting to know Sam and the other mix VJs more, getting to know other hosts like Kuya Robbie and Edward as well.